Hi everyone. So Joshua showed us the longitudinal section of the skeletal muscle. So I will do the transverse section. These we're going to use as models of individual muscle fibers. And each individual muscle fiber will be surrounded by epimysium.
So the white is epimysium?
Yes.
Endomysium.
I'm sorry. Each muscle fiber is going to be surrounded by endomysium. Endomysium.
So while you're doing that, can you briefly explain what the golden color over there is and what the yellow color and the blue dots are?
Okay, so endomysium is that's connective tissue. The white represents the connective tissue of endomysium around the individual fibers.
And the red are the muscle fibers?
Yes, the red represents the individual muscle fibers. Now, surrounding a bunch of individual muscle fibers will be the endomysium, and then, will be the perimysium. So the individual fiber is within the endomysium, and then the perimysium is going to surround a bundle.
Okay. So we have each individual surrounded by the endomysium and the bundle surrounded by the perimysium.
That's right.
Awesome. Well, what are you doing now? Are you making another bundle?
Yeah, this will be another bundle.
Okay. So you mean to tell me that there's more than just one bundle? Well, if there's more than just one bundle, what surrounds all of the bundles?
So all of the bundles will be surrounded by epimysium. So these bundles will then be surrounded by epimysium. And this is all connective tissue. And in the case of muscle fiber, it actually helps to transfer the motion of the individual muscle fibers. Of course, I cannot forget the nuclei. As we know, the cells will have nuclei. So these blue dots represent nuclei of the muscle fibers.
Okay, so earlier we learned what makes up the muscle fibers, and now we are learning how the muscle fibers are bundled as far as to create the skeletal muscle, right?
Right, and what you're looking at, this would be the transverse section. We're looking at them in the transverse section.
Okay. So this is, I guess, an image of if you were to cut the muscle, right? This would be what you would be looking at?
Right. So you wouldn't cut. This isn't a longitudinal long way cut. This is a cross way cut. So that's a transverse section.